Welcome to another episode of $20 Chef. It's Thanksgiving, okay? Listen, most of us are unstable. People that hang out with me, there's some stable ones in here, but I'm not gonna fucking name names, all right? That means if you're not stable, then you're not having a full Thanksgiving dinner at your house. So today we're making a side dish. I'm coming in hot with some buffalo mac and cheese over here in this $20 furnitureless chef apartment. We're just gonna show, we wanna look like we kinda got our shit together, you know? We know we don't, but we at least want to show up like it. Maybe get a haircut, shave, take a shower, and show up with some buffalo mac and cheese. I mean, that's a thug move. Last year I fucked up stuffing and I decided I'm done with stuffing. I got my chicken boiling, all right? We're gonna shred that up, throw it in there. The whole point is here, we're gonna get our sauce mixed with our noodles, chicken, mix it all together, drop it in the pan, put some breadcrumbs on top, throw it in the oven at 400. All right, I'm not really sure you can read how long it takes for the chicken. I just like to do the old touchdown test here. Does it feel firm? All right, yeah, that looks like it's cooking. All right, so I'm in a new apartment. I spent all my money getting here, so I don't have a couch and shit or a table. You know, I'm real big on Indian style. I want to thank the Chinese dudes that are all moving out of my floor because I got a sweet free lamp and a broom. That's a good start. Because if I don't have a broom, it's not getting picked up. I'm just like, wow, this shit looks like it's outside. I feel like I'm on the street right now. All right, in the same pan. Keep it rocking and rolling over there. Put in like 5 scoops of butter. Again, remember, I don't care how much butter you are or not eating at home. When you eat out, you are eating a shitload of butter. All right, coming in hot with like a 1/3 cup of flour. Let's see, that looks like about enough. All right, boom, let that butter melt down. Like 3 cups of milk. Let me eyeball it, get it? That should be enough. If you're gonna be making the perfect mac and cheese, we're talking about Frank's Red Hot, okay? They've been blending the perfect amount of flavor and heat for over 90 years. Why would I go any other direction? We're coming in hot with the Franks into our milk over here. There it is, just pour it in. Look at that. Boom, now get your whisk on. Now this is gonna be really whiskey, but someone's gotta do it. I'm gonna use this corny pun until the comments just tell me to go fuck myself. All right, chicken's done. We're gonna strain out the chicken. There it is. For all you geniuses out there. You don't boil chicken? That's not how you do chicken. We're gonna shred it up. Get a couple of forks and a little bit of anger in your life. Maybe your little brother keeps on smacking you in the head when you're playing Xbox and you're still trying to talk to your mom about it even though you're 26 and you're living in the basement and that kid's only 9, but you're still like, no, I get rights around this house. Use that anger, you know? That anger when your dog just gets finished taking a fat shit in the park and just fucking does that with his feet. Use that anger and shred this chicken up. All right, cheese going in. I'm using the whole bag, all right? There's no diets this year. We're getting fat as fuck. We're trying to really get as fat as possible. That cooked down. Good and thick, ready to rock. In true American fashion, we're gonna put butter, milk, cheese, and hot sauce. Let it all melt down and basically make it drinkable. That's the American way. Now look, you got your chicken shredded up, your cheese is melting down, you're about ready to throw this bitch in the oven. But you can't just let the chicken fly like that, you know? You gotta get your Frank's Red Hot. Grab yourself a piece of chicken, put some sauce on it, you know? Give her a test run. Did you know that Frank's Red Hot was the original secret ingredient in the original buffalo wing recipe in Buffalo in 1964? Originally? All right, cheese is melted down, ready to rock. I'm gonna throw my macaroni and chicken in, let it cook for a little while, team up, you know, become a good solid squad, then we're gonna get it on the oven. Right before you dump this in, you got a couple elbow macs, you know what I mean? You wanna hit the homie right in the mouth. Now you get it all mixed in, good and thick and rich and delicious. If your family lives too far and you end up at a friend's Thanksgiving, you bring this, one of his aunts is gonna give you a lap dance. Look at our mix here, it's ready to rock, fresh and creamy. Booze, ladder cam. I would suggest going panko, but they didn't have them at this weird ass grocery store over here by my house, so I'm going with regular ass breadcrumbs. That looks about right, that'll work out. Right in the oven we go. A hot 15, 400 degrees. Oh shit, we heard dinging, Elvin's dinging, don't burn your shit. I'm gonna burn myself, I got 2-to-1 odds on it. But we burn the top a little bit, but that's all right. We're living, get a nice little crisp there. Look, she's ready to rock and roll. One more tip. We're coming in hot with that perfect blend of flavor and heat. Right there, ready to rock. About to hit Thanksgiving, tear it up, you know? Eat a bunch of food, go back for seconds, make out with your friend's weird aunt or something. That's it, look at us. We're ready to be on the cover of Good Housekeeping. Remember, if you love Frank's Red Hot as much as I do, make sure you're following them on their social media outlets. This is already too hot. That's this episode of $20 Chef. Make sure you guys have a great Thanksgiving, whether it's with your family or your friends. We're out of here. Let's go, you fucks.